So guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to jumpstart your car with this power bank without the help of anybody. Maybe you're stranded on the road, your battery fails because your battery can fail you at any time. You can jumpstart your car. Now this battery is good, so I'm going to take it off. I'm going to take off this battery now. Terminal. The black goes to the negative while the red goes to the positive. And then you connect the cord to the power bank. It's always advisable to do this first. And then you put your power bank on. Now let us see if this car will start with just this power bank jump starter. Our power bank. The car is on with just our power bank, no battery. So even if your battery is dead, you can jump start your car without the help of anybody. So this power bank jump starter is not meant to replace your car battery. It is only to be used for emergency. So if your battery is bad, it's advisable you get a new battery so as not to spoil your alternator. But this is necessary for all car owners in case of an emergency. It could be that your children could just come and play with your car stereo, or any other thing could drain your battery. Maybe you didn't start your car for 2 or 3 days, even if it's a brand new battery. You don't need to go and start disturbing people to jumpstart your car for you, or you start looking for neighbors to borrow battery from. You can just use your power bank to jumpstart your car. Or probably you are stranded on the way. When your battery fails you, you can use it to jumpstart your car. So all car owners should have this. Besides, this power bank has other things that you can use it to charge your laptop, you can use it to charge your phones. It comes with a 3-remote touchlight, that including a hazard light that you can use in case of emergency at night. All car owners should have this device with them.
Open the engine area. Now it is connected to the battery. The air compressor is connected at the moment. This is the pump. You have to fix on the tire. Let's switch on. To show the PSI.
Please click the link you are seeing now. Click the link below so that we can bring yours for you. We need you to have this. It should be yours. Click the link. We are going to deliver it to you.